Today we are going to see growth curve. Growth is a way to express growth through time in a plant organ or in a cell. To express growth through time of a plant, the time factor considered is the lifespan. While for an organ or a cell, the time factor considered is the time required from their formation to maturation. Growth can use data of growth rate in all these growth structures using one of the parameter like length, size, area, volume or dry weight. Growth indicates that the growth in a plant or an organ or a cell pass through different phases. During these phases, there is a distinct difference in the rate of growth process. In case of cell, during cell formation, growth rate is slow. During cell elongation, growth is rapid. During cell maturation, again growth rate is slow and steady. In case of an organ, that is the leaf, for a first few days, the leaf shows very slow increase in size, followed by the growth increases leaf size rapidly, and again when leaf matures, the growth rate becomes very slow and finally stops. In case of herbaceous plant, during its life cycle, dry weight initially decreases or remains more or less constant during the germination stage. It increases very rapidly during vegetative growth stage, and finally the dry weight remains constant or decreases during maturation or senescence phase prior to death of the plant. All these cases, example are an organ, that is the cell, an organ or herbaceous plant. If we plot a graph using changes in parameters used as volume, size, dry weight, area, height and time period, we get S-shaped or sigmoid curve. Such curve is characteristics of growth in plants. Individual, organ, cell is called growth curve. The growth curve of herbaceous plant indicates due to utilization of stored or reserve food, dry weight decreases during germination stage. During vegetative growth stage, dry weight rapidly increases due to photosynthetic addition of organic compounds, and during final phase decreases in dry weight due to utilization of food for growth in fruits and seeds as well as their dispersal. The structural growth curve shows three phases such as lag phase showing slow growth rate, log phase that is known as the linear phase showing very rapid growth rate, while steady phase the growth rate decreases. In this curve, the time period which shows maximum amount of growth is called grand period.